Next up, we have a brand new model imported by Division Point, built in Korea by ATM, Asian Train Model. This is the Alco RS Road Switcher. You'll see that it's lettered for the SP&S. This is an RS-2 with a tiger stripe. It is Division Point item number 9379. It's a very nice model. It's a model that comes with directional lighting, both forward and back. It comes with a lighted beacon on the top, as well as illuminated number boards. You'll see that it also has folding deck aprons on both the front and the back of the model. Again, this is road number 60 for the Spokane, Portland, and Seattle. But let's go ahead and we're going to put it in motion on our track here and see how she runs. Now we'll go ahead and put it in reverse. And there you have it, the Spokane, Portland, and Seattle RS-2 from Division Point.